Howdy out there, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles back with you again from beautiful Mount Sterling. And I've got a beautiful machine for you this time. This is a 2015 Royal Enfield C5 500 Classic. What can I tell you about this? Royal Enfield has been in continuous operation longer than any other motorcycle manufacturer. This is a blast right out of World War II here. We got a single cylinder 500cc thumper motor on it. Just an awesome machine to ride on the back roads. Give you a walk around here. Check out that beautiful headlight nacelle on it. A blast right out of the past, guys. A couple of the updates are we've got disc brakes up front, which is fantastic. It is fuel injected, so that's a great step forward from the old World War II bikes. Let's see. This one is in Lagoon blue, which is absolutely a fabulous color. I've also got it in battle green, stealth black, and squadron silver. So I've got a few of these bikes. Just wonderful all around, great riding machines. Let me give you a shot of the dash cluster on this here, and then we'll crank her up a little bit. Very mild manner, awesome to ride on the back road, just fabulously fun. And let's crank this thing up. And it sounds just about like you would think an old thumper ought to sound. Guys, come on down here to Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling and check this machine out for yourself. Or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. You can also check us out on Facebook. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let us know we're making good videos, and we'll try to get more out to you every time we have some new products in. Thanks for watching, guys.